Hey everyone, welcome to the Stock Master Show. Hold on one second. Had to check my camera. Okay, let me get everything set. Okay, first of all, this is Byron. And look at this beautiful background. Ain't that sweet? Oh man, that is beautiful. Man, I just wish I was there. Anyway, today in the stock market, let's talk. First of all, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Let me get my notes together. Yeah, please like, subscribe, and share this video. I'm checking out my notes here. And I want to talk about the stock market today. Today is 5/21/2026. I got two stocks for you. Two! So you can make some money in the stock market. Okay? I didn't have a stock yesterday, but this stock been going up every day, and I want to talk about it right now. The first stock is MRBL. Marble, I got it written right here. Marble Technologies. This stock been going up like crazy. And I think you need to jump on board. This stock is either going to go up Friday or Monday. Tomorrow's Thursday. Or Thursday, Friday, or Monday. So this stock is going to go up. It's trading at $190 per share. Okay? Today, the target price went up from $115 to $215. This is Marble Technology. The analysts say, one of them says equal weight. That's a good thing. It's not really good or bad. Equal is like neutral. The next analyst says strong buy. Strong buy. So I think that's good. I think that's Morgan Stanley. And that's a quality analyst company. The next one is neutral. That's good. The next company analyst is buy. Great. The next company says buy. Great. The next company says buy. Great. And the last company says long. That's the best you can have. Long is great. So like Marble Technologies. It's a supplier of data infrastructure, semiconductor solutions. So that's what it does. A lot of long words there. Okay, it's 96% bullish. The last 52 weeks is up 160%. This stock is rolling right now. It's hot right now. So that's the first one. Marble Technologies, MRBL. The second stock is PANW. It's Palo Alto Networks. It's an AI cyber security company. Remember that, PANW. That's the second one. The analyst says overweight. That's perfect. That's the best you can have. The next analyst says strong buy. That's the best you can have. The next company says neutral. That means don't buy it, don't sell it. It's like neutral, right in the middle. The next company says buy. The next company says buy. The next company says buy. I'm telling you, these two stocks I think is going to do well in the next 3 days or so. This stock is 86% bullish. The last 52 weeks is up 62%. The price target went from 235 to 285 and it's trading at 252 right now. So the first stock is MRBL, Marble Technology. The second stock is PANW. P as in Paul, A as in Apple, N as in Nancy, W as in wet. That's the second stock. Those two stocks I think is going to go up very, very soon and you're going to make money. I promise you. And a couple of more things I want to bring up. I semi-recommended a stock yesterday or the day before. It was LGN. LGN. It went down like 51 cents, so it's probably broke even today. But I think that's a quality stock as well. LGN. And the Dow Jones went up 600 points yesterday. But I thought it was going to go down a little bit today. That's why I didn't recommend a stock for you last night. But it went up again today. The Dow Jones went up. I got it written down. Got my notes here. The Dow Jones went up 276 points today. That scares me because with President Trump, what he's doing, he's really hurting the stock market because of the confrontation with Iran. So that can make the stock market drop seriously. And like I said before, a lot of times when the Dow Jones go down a lot, that take a lot of stocks with it. Look at that beautiful background, y'all. And please like, subscribe, and share this video. And hit that bell button so my videos can get to you immediately. I'm trying to stay very informative about the stock market. A lot of times I kind of wander off about like mutual funds and the housing market and stuff like that. But I want to stay where my forte is at, where my niche is at. That's the stock market, short-term investing. I am a short-term professional investor, and I need to concentrate on that right there to make money for you guys. So you have to hit that bell button so my videos can get to you immediately. I mean, immediately. Just tap that bell button so you can watch my videos. Help you make free money here. I'm giving away free money. You don't have to give me anything. A lot of people are sending me money to my Cash App, but I told them they don't have to do that. You got 3 ways to contact me. I'm going to say it again. I'm going to reiterate this. You can email me. You can FaceTime me. My name is Byron Banks. And you can leave comments so I can talk to you personally. Okay, and a couple of more helpful hints when it comes to the stock market. Let me set my notes aside here. Let's get down to business here. I need you to, if you get in the stock market and you get your online brokerage account, I need you to set up your alerts on the stock market, because there's certain stocks you might be interested in. And if it goes to a valuable stock where you can make money, you can set that on your phone for alerts where your phone will notify you that stock is at the target price where you want it to be, so you can buy that stock. I don't recommend you do it towards buying that stock, because you need to take my advice, a professional, because a lot of companies look good. Oh, I want Walmart, I want Amazon, things like that. But that don't, just because it's a great name, do not make it a good stock. I can't emphasize that enough. Do not go by the name. Go by undervalued and overvalued. Undervalued and overvalued when it comes to a stock, especially short term. Now, if you're doing long term or options or crypto, that's a different strategy. But I'm talking about get rich quick is more short term. You want to take your money and run, move on to the next stock. You don't want to hold it for a long period of time. The next thing is you do, if you're in the stock market, if you're just starting out, set up your watch list. There might be certain stocks that you're interested in. You want to watch and keep an eye on, and your phone will let you know. Again, it'll keep an eye on certain stocks for you, certain stocks you might be interested in the future. So set up your watch list as well. That's very important. So set up your alerts if you're in the stock market, and set up your watch list. And I could give you some stocks to watch for, when you get in the stock market. Now, there's a lot of news on Nvidian right now, Nvidian stock. And I'm pretty sure a lot of people, investors, have invested in Nvidian stock. I want to take a look at that right now for you guys, because I'm trying to be as informative as possible. I can't even say the word. I'm trying to inform you what's going on. That's basically what I'm saying. So let's take a look at Nvidian right now.
NVIDIA, which is up almost 10%, Josh, in 1 month. Stock not all the time trades all that well after earnings, but how are you thinking about this report today? I don't think it makes much sense to go around the horn and say, hey, what are you expecting? Because everybody expects it's going to be a good report. But how are you thinking about what's going to happen this evening and what it might mean?
Well, it's 80% year-over-year revenue growth from an all-time high in revenue. So there's actually no analog to anything like this having happened ever in history. So like all of the normal superlatives that we use to discuss NVIDIA in quarters past, over the last, 11 years I'm in the stock, like this is perhaps the most incredibly superlative of all of them. 119% year-over-year earnings per share growth, gross margins of 75%. How about the fact they're going to announce $73.2 billion in data center revenue? 3 years ago, 36 months ago, that business was $4 billion. So we've never seen anything like it. The one thing I would say is the multiple for NVIDIA at 25 times may not be because people are worried about future growth. It may just be that if this stock were to get the same multiple expansion that a smaller company with a similar growth rate would get, it would effectively be like 30% of the S&P 500.
So NVIDIA is a hot topic right now. I know a lot of people that has NVIDIA right now. And NVIDIA is doing pretty good. And this is really, people are watching that particular stock. Now, I have a friend named Josh just watching. I hope you see this video right here. Hope he tapped into my videos. But like I said, please like, subscribe, and share my video because I'm trying to be as informative as possible. Nvidia is, I'm gonna keep an eye on that for you. And I'm gonna keep you updated on a regular basis how Nvidia is doing. Because a lot of people have a lot of hard-earned money invested in Nvidia. So let's see what's going on in Nvidia in the near future. Let's see what's going on with Donald Trump and Iran and the conflict and things like that. And don't forget my hot stocks, PANW, I have it written down there, and MRBL. Those two stocks should do good for you in the next 2 or 3 days. And do me a favor. On my video, leave comments and your opinion. Let me know if I made money for you, if I did a good job, and how my videos are. And just basically keep in contact with me. That's very important. And tell your friends, share these videos because a lot of people are trying to get in the stock market. A lot of people are losing money in the stock market because they're not really helping you. They're just making it convenient for you to buy and sell stock, but you're still losing money. I'm trying to get it where you definitely make money in the stock market. See, my product is totally different than other companies. They're just trying to get you in and trying to make it convenient for you to buy stocks. But that's not going to help you when it comes to making money. The main objective is to make money. And that's the main objective, is to make money. Convenience don't mean anything if you're losing money. So what companies have AI and all this artificial intelligence and things like that? They're still not helping you make money. They could say everything they want towards percentages that the average person makes. Almost 80% of their customers make money when it comes to the stock market, but they don't show no proof. See, I show proof. You can watch my videos and see every time I give a stock, at least the last 150 out of 152 times, my stock has went up. And my suggestion is my 3 rules. If you follow my 3 rules, you will make money in the stock market. That's do not get greedy. Buy low, sell high, and timing is everything. And now I have a 4th rule. Do not buy a stock because of its name. Remember I said that. Do not buy a stock because of its name. You will lose money. On short-term investing, I'm talking about. That's my technique. Only buy stocks if it's undervalued. That stock most likely will go up. If it's overvalued, don't buy it. A big name like Amazon, Walmart, and stuff like that, don't buy it. But Amazon is, I think, undervalued. That might be a decent stock as well. So sometimes you got to look for how it goes up and down to see if it's undervalued or overvalued. With that being said, I'm not going to talk your ear off. Like I said, please hit that bell button to watch my videos because I can make money for you in the stock market. I'm Byron, the Stock Master, and welcome to the Stock Master Show. And I talk to you on my next video, and God bless you.